Listen to your pretty little radio.
Take your foot off for a second. Hey. Press this button right here. Hold it. Press this button. You gotta press that.
Hold on. Do it again.
Okay.
All right. Go.
Right, he's spinning his wheels.
Get him on the, let's get him on the cement. Go this way, Jake. Whoop. Hi, sorry. Turn this way. Push the button. Just got a pedal.
Yeah.
What? Did it hurt? Push it. Give it a little help. We're gonna go on the cement, JJ. It'll go faster. You still filming? Like I'm standing right there.
Yeah, it's okay.
Turn this way.
Past the monster.
Keep on going. Press that button.
Is it a button or a
Pedal.
Look at JJ driving. Is that fun?
beautiful? Which button?
Okay, you're on your own.
Now watch where you're driving, JJ.
This way. Turn.
Wait, you gotta go this way. You're gonna crash that. Let's go. Go! Follow Daddy. Okay. Turn, JJ. Good job.
He gets so into looking at what's inside that he's not steering. Day-Day, do you like your car? Oh, good.
Turn that way.
Right into Mommy's car.
I crashed Mommy's car.
I crashed Mommy's car. Did you hear the at the end?
All right, now remember, if you go push down, watch. Push down. Now pull back up. See, that makes you go forward.
Right back into Mommy's car.
Push back. Push back. The other way. Down. Is it up or
I
down?
think there's 2 speeds.
I just heard that.
Yeah, you hear that?
It is.
Feel it out. What's the time on it?
Go the other way.